Yo, what's up everybody? Imagine building a fully functional modern home in just a few weeks, without the hassle of traditional construction. Welcome back to Your Channel Name, where we explore innovative ways to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Today we're talking about how to build a 3D printed home for under $100,000, and whether this futuristic housing solution is worth the investment. The process starts with a giant robotic 3D printer that layers a concrete-based mixture to create walls. Unlike traditional construction, there's no need for bricks, wood framing, or excessive labor costs. Just a digital blueprint and the right materials. 3D-printed homes are no longer science fiction. With advances in technology, companies are now offering fully built, livable homes for as low as $50,000, with larger, more sophisticated models costing under $100,000. But how does it work? Please subscribe to my channel, Modern Home in just a few weeks, without the hassle of traditional construction, where we explore innovative ways to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of 3D printed homes, and how you can potentially build one for under $100,000. We're going to break down the entire process, the costs, the potential pitfalls, and whether this futuristic housing solution is actually worth your hard-earned cash. I know what you're thinking, Graham. 3D printed houses sounds like something straight out of the Jetsons. And you know what? You're not wrong. But the future is now, people, and this technology is rapidly changing the game. So buckle up, hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get right into it. Alright, so you're ready to ditch the traditional housing market and print your own crib? Smart move. The world of 3D printed homes is exciting and full of potential. But first things first, you're going to need a 3D printer. And not just any printer, but one that's capable of handling the demands of construction. Now, before you picture a little desktop printer spitting out tiny plastic houses, we're talking about industrial-sized bad boys that can lay down concrete like nobody's business. These machines are designed to handle large-scale projects and can work with a variety of materials. Think of these printers as giant robotic arms with a nozzle that extrudes a special concrete mixture, layer by layer, building your walls from the ground up. It's a fascinating process to watch and even more impressive to see the final product. Entry-level 3D construction printers like the ones you might use for smaller projects or parts of a house can run you anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000. These are great for getting started and can handle a variety of tasks. But if you're going all in on a full-blown 3D printed home, you're looking at the big leagues. These machines are built for serious construction and can handle the demands of a full-scale project. Industrial-grade printers for these projects will set you back a cool $50,000 to $200,000. It's a significant investment, but the capabilities of these machines are unmatched. Many companies are now offering rental options for these behemoth printers, which can significantly reduce your upfront costs. This is a great way to access high-end technology without the hefty price tag. Renting these printers can cost anywhere from a few thousand to tens of thousands of dollars, depending on the size, complexity of your project, and the rental duration. It's a flexible option that can fit various budgets and project scopes. This can be a more manageable option for many people, especially if you're only planning on printing one house. It allows you to test the waters without a massive financial commitment. Plus, renting means you don't have to worry about storage, maintenance, or finding a buyer for your giant 3D printer when you're done with it. It's a hassle-free way to get started with 3D printed construction. Do your research, compare different models, and read reviews from other builders who have used these machines. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better decision you can make. Remember, this is a big investment, so you want to make sure you're getting the right tool for the job. Take your time, weigh your options, and choose a printer that fits your needs and budget. Now that you've got your 3D printer sorted, it's time to dive into the exciting world of home design. Let's talk blueprints. These are the foundation of your dream home. Just like with traditional construction, having a solid plan is crucial. You're going to need a detailed blueprint to guide the construction process and ensure everything goes smoothly. Thankfully, when it comes to 3D printed houses, you've got a plethora of options to choose from. Many companies specializing in this futuristic tech offer pre-designed 3D house plans, making it easier for you to get started. Think of it like browsing a catalog of awesome modern homes, ready to be printed and customized to your liking. It's like shopping for your dream home, but with a high-tech twist. These pre-designed plans can save you a ton of time and money, as they've already been engineered and optimized for 3D printing. This means fewer headaches and more peace of mind. Plus, they come in a variety of styles and sizes, so you're bound to find something that tickles your fancy. Whether you want a sleek modern look or something more traditional, there's a plan for you. But hey, maybe you're a maverick, a true visionary who wants to create something completely unique. No problem. 3D printing opens up a world of design possibilities, allowing for complex curves, organic shapes, and features that would be impossible to achieve with traditional construction methods. The sky's the limit. If you're feeling adventurous, you can design your own 3D printed home from scratch using computer-aided design, CAD, software. This gives you complete control over every detail. When choosing a blueprint, whether pre-designed or custom-made, it's crucial to consider your lifestyle, needs, and budget. Make sure the design fits your daily life and long-term plans. Remember, this is your future home we're talking about, so choose a design that you'll love living in for years to come. Your perfect 3D printed home is just a blueprint away. Okay, so we've got our printer locked and loaded, and our blueprints are looking fresh. Now let's talk about what your 3D printed palace is actually going to be made of. The primary material used in 3D printed homes is, you guessed it, concrete. But hold on, we're not talking about your grandpappy's concrete. This is high-tech, specially formulated concrete that's designed to flow smoothly through the printer nozzle and solidify quickly, creating strong and durable structures. And the best part, this ain't your average boring gray concrete. We're talking about eco-friendly cement blends that incorporate recycled materials and reduce the carbon footprint of your home. Some companies are even experimenting with using sustainable materials like bamboo and hemp fibers in their concrete mixtures, making 3D printed homes even more environmentally friendly. Now, before you start printing your dream home, you gotta lay the groundwork. Literally. Site preparation for a 3D printed house is similar to traditional construction in many ways. You'll need to clear the land, level the site, and prepare the foundation. Once your foundation is set and your utilities are in place, you're ready for the main event, the printing. Alright folks, the moment we've all been waiting for. With our printer prepped, our site prepped, and our materials ready to roll, it's time to hit that metaphorical print button and watch our digital dream home materialize before our very eyes. This is where technology meets creativity, and the results are nothing short of spectacular. The actual printing process is where the magic happens. It's a mesmerizing dance of precision and innovation, as the 3D printer meticulously follows the digital blueprint. The 3D printer, following the precise instructions from your digital blueprint, will layer concrete in a continuous process, building your walls, one layer at a time. Each layer is carefully placed, ensuring structural integrity and durability. It's like watching a giant robotic artist create a sculpture, except this sculpture is your future home. The precision and efficiency of the 3D printer are truly remarkable. Now, how long does this whole printing extravaganza take? The answer might surprise you. Well, that depends on the size and complexity of your house. Each design is unique, and the time required can vary significantly. Smaller, simpler designs might be printed in as little as 24 hours, which is incredibly fast compared to traditional construction methods. While larger, more intricate homes could take a few weeks to complete. The complexity of the design and the number of features can extend the printing time, but hey, compared to the months or even years it can take to build a traditional home, a few weeks is a walk in the park, right? The efficiency of 3D printing is a game changer in the construction industry. While the printer is busy doing its thing, you can sit back, relax, and watch your dream home rise from the ground up, layer by layer. It's a fascinating process to witness. Once the printing is complete, it's time to move on to the assembly phase. This is where the house starts to take its final shape. While the 3D printer takes care of the basic structure, there are still some essential components that need to be installed. These components are crucial for making the house livable. This includes things like windows, doors, roofing, plumbing fixtures, electrical wiring, and more. Each element is carefully installed to ensure functionality and comfort, and all the finishing touches that transform a concrete shell into a comfortable and livable home. These finishing touches add personality and warmth to the space. The good news is that because 3D printed homes have precise dimensions and smooth surfaces, the installation process is often faster and easier than traditional construction. This precision reduces the margin for error. With 3D printing, you have the freedom to customize your home to your heart's content, creating a space that's not only functional and efficient but also reflects your unique personality and style. The possibilities are endless, and the result is a home that's truly yours. So, there you have it, a crash course in building your very own 3D printed home for under $100,000. From choosing the right printer to picking the perfect design and understanding the materials and construction process, we've covered it all. This technology is changing the game, making homeownership more accessible and sustainable. Would you invest in a 3D printed home? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights on smart investments and financial freedom. See you in the next video.